naturally Nepal, incredible India, and beautiful China. All coming together in Pokhara, Nepal for Nepal India China Expo. Nice, the first ever Tri-Nation Expo in tourism. Mark your calendar for this historic event from February 24th till February 26th in 2025. Register now to join us in Nepal's tourism capital, Pokhara.
Namaskar. On behalf of the Ministry of Culture, Tourism and Civil Aviation Government of Nepal, we are delighted to cordially invite all our friends from Nepal, India and China to join us in Pokhara, Nepal for NICE 2025.